Hi guys, in today's video what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an unboxing of this ESDDI LED shooting tent kit. It's the PKL-D550 is the model number of it, and it's the 50 centimeter by 50 centimeter tent. So these are used for like taking photographs of objects and things like that. If you need to like sell things, or sell like jewelry, or you just wanted to maybe get some really good photos of things that your kids have made at school and things like that. Just kind of fairly small items, just to make them look really nice and professional. So this is the box that arriving from the courier. There's a slight bit of damage on it from couriering, but it has been absolutely pouring down today, so been into some kind of heavy rains, and I think that might have played into it a little bit, but it's a good, sturdy, solid box. So let's get into it. Let's get it open and have a look at the product. Seems to have a good range of brightness. The ESDDI LED light shooting tent. As you can see, it's rather nice and evenly lit in there. There's also options at the top. You can shoot from above as well. Just have a look at that. So I've got this set up now, and I've got the camera in place. I've put the black screen in because I'm going to be doing a fluffy toy. This was bought by my parents for my son last year before, something like that, for Christmas. So I'm just going to pop this in, and we'll get some we'll get it set up, we'll get some photos taken. ISO 200 and f8, that was 100th of a second, given to my daughter at the same time, but my grandparents, so I can pop that in. And that's really nice. It's producing some really nice photos. I'm very happy with what I'm getting. This is a butterfly in a like a paperweight that we got in Singapore. Beautiful. It's really capturing the colours in it. And what I'm actually going to do with this one is I'm going to sitting straight down and coming from the top. So I'm going to close up this window here. So off the tripod. I'm actually going to overall easy to change the background. It's got wonderful thing inside it, and the silver, see it's the mottled silver's got the bumps on it and everything, so it helps kind of diffuse the light and things that's in there. And it's certainly, you know, bright light in there. You can even bring that down as well if you don't want as much light. It's dimmable controls on it, really, you know, comes in very handy. So overall, easy to transport. It comes in this box container here, and everything fits back inside that box. It has a convenient carry handle on it, and that includes the backdrops as well as the all the power and everything which fits in it. Put it up in, you know, a couple of minutes just to get it all fastened together and put up, and then you're ready to go. And yeah, once you start shooting on it, you really don't want to stop. I'm kind of you know, enjoying just kind of finding things. You know, what about I'll put this in, put that in. You know what I mean? Try it out with different things, different backgrounds, see how it looks. And yeah, really looking forward to showing you the quality that it produces. I know that these photos are gonna come out pretty good, and hope you've enjoyed seeing them as I've been popping them up in the video with their details and descriptions. Okay, well, take care. Thank you for watching, and yeah, you can't really go far wrong with this. It's a nice piece of kit.